Okay, just using a heat gun to warm the barrel. I'm running the press just to compress what we've got. There, it went solid there. I can feel it with the pressure. I'm not going to get the orifice a little bit. Lift you on. So this is really just a proof of concept setup. And again, we're making another extrusion because we've got pharmaceutical grade of NISO, high molecular weight powder, NISO HPC H. The patent said barrel temperature 400 degrees. I don't think the internal temperature needs to be that hot. And NISO did mention that their product might take a higher heat than what we're used to. Oh yeah, it's coming out now. So if I get down the hole, then I'll kind of pull on it. Okay, you can kind of ease up, Teresa. I'll pull on it. Okay, you pull on it. Probably can't see a thing, but okay, that's it. And break it off. Yeah. Okay, you can take the heat off. Alright. So the powder's been melted and extruded, and then we will plasticize it. This does look very nice. I think this looks nicer than the other powder in places. Maybe got a little too hot there and it's bubbly. Didn't take as much pressure, but here it looks very smooth. So Teresa, maybe next time we'll back off on the heat a little bit once we start pumping the press. So it's just trial and error on how much force and how much heat